So we're going to fix the lawnmower now. And we'll see if it sparks.
Basically, you just gotta look. Hold that. Right. See the end where it should start.
Yeah.
It's up.
Yeah, it's sparking already.
Definitely start.
Yeah.
That's a good sign.
Cheers.
If it didn't start, then we know that's why.
Yeah. Now she sorts the gun ratchet out. Yeah. Take the camera.
That's at work.
Yeah. I've actually got this on the right way.
It's in fact.
Alright, shut up. You didn't know that. You. I didn't know that. You. I didn't know that. You. Shut up. You. Shut up. You. Shut up. You. What the fuck?
Used to be on.
Ow. What?
By the way.
No, I'm going to get this fucking wrong way.
Yeah.
There we go. I'm on that right. Now where's that little thing gone? Get it back on. You. Let's go. You ready?
Yeah. Prime.
You've already primed it enough times the last time.
I haven't. That's why I pulled the spark plug out.
What?
That's why I pulled the spark plug out. Revving a bit too high.
Yes, it
It runs again. It leaves. Yeah. Wow. That's my phone. Here. Okay. This is the better machine.
You what?
This is the better machine. The best ever.
Is it X?
Since when did a lawnmower spin faster than this? The best ever. The best ever. The best ever.